Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to attach files from Google Drive to an email. This is a great way to share large files without clogging your inbox. Let's get started. First, go to your browser, then to drive.google.com and log into your Google account. Make sure you're in the correct account where the files you want to share are stored. Find the files you want to attach. You can either browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top. Once you find your file, click on it once to highlight it. Right-click on the file and select Share from the context menu. A sharing dialog will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to send the file to. Make sure to set the access level. You can choose from Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on what permissions you want to grant. Once you're done, click Send. Your file is now shared via email, and the recipient will receive a link to access it. And there you have it. You've successfully attached a file from Google Drive to an email. This method is very useful for sharing large files quickly. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like or subscribe for more video tutorials. See you in the next video.